Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about FC26. FC26 was recently released, and since the beginning, as with every FC that is releasing on Windows, users have issues running the game. Sometimes the game just doesn't want to work, doesn't want to open, and various different errors are showing. For example, secure boot is not enabled or anti-cheat issues. In this video I'm going to show you all the settings and all the things that I've tried over the years that helped me run the game whenever it showed me a lot of errors and it wasn't running. And of course, in this video I'm going to show you how to do each and every step. So if you're encountering issues with FC26 not opening on your Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, you should be able to fix it after watching this video. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, what I would do, I would press Windows plus I on my keyboard to open up the settings app in Windows 10 or Windows 11, then go to Windows Update and make sure you have the latest Windows 10 or 11 version. Go and click on check for updates and make sure you have all the latest updates installed. This will update also audio, graphics, and more, so having the latest version is a must. In addition to this, make sure to also have the latest graphics card drivers installed. So for that, open the GeForce Experience app or the new NVIDIA app, then go into the left side to drivers and then click on this button to check for updates, and make sure you click on download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. This should also help. Also, when you run FC26, if you receive an error related to secure boot is not enabled on this machine, you'll need to enable secure boot if you are using Windows 11. For Windows 10, it is pretty simple. Just go to manage and then click on view properties and then click on open folder to open the default folder of FC26. Then right click on FC26 and then click on run as administrator. As easy as that on Windows 10. On Windows 11, you will need to enable secure boot. You're going to have an article and also a video that you can watch on my channel on how to enable that if you have Windows 11 installed. You're going to have also more information in the article below and different articles that you can try and see if they will help you. Other things that we can do, for example, we need to completely close the EA app. Just go onto these three lines and then click on exit. Also open up the task manager and make sure that the EA app is not working in the background, and then open it up again. Something as simple as this has sometimes helped me run FC26, and in addition to this, you can also try to open FC26 by a different shortcut. How you can do this, go to manage, then click on view properties again, open folder, and then just open EAFC by running the EA AntiCheat game service launcher. This was helpful at the beginning when there are certain issues with AntiCheat. Just run it by running this shortcut, and this should also help. In the EA app, other things that we can try is to go into these three dots, then go to help, and then click on app recovery, and then clear your cache. Basically, some temporary files or files that have remained since other installs will be cleared up, and this should also help. Back in older FIFAs, something that helped me was to simply switch the online mode off and then turn it on again. Go into these three lines again, go and click on go offline, click on yes I'm sure, and then once you see the screen, go and click on go online again. This has helped me in older FIFAs, now FC, but this should also help you. Another thing that we can try in the EA app, inside FC26, click on manage and then click on repair. This will basically do a reinstall of some files that are basically mandatory in order to run FC26, and this should help running the game if you somehow deleted or lost some files in the installation directory. If you have FC26 installed on Steam, you can right click on the game, click on properties, installed files, and then click on verify integrity of the game files. This is for users that have FC26 installed on Steam. If you have issues or errors when trying to launch FC26 related to the EA anti-cheat, you can also repair, update, and reinstall the anti-cheat. For this, again, go to manage, go to view properties, and then click on open folder, and then enter into _installer folder. Go inside the EA anti-cheat folder and then double click on this application. Here, as you can see, you're going to have the EA Javelin anti-cheat setup. Go and click on this, and then from here select FC26. First of all, click on repair, then on update, and if things still don't work, click on uninstall, and then install again FC26. As you can see, I'm not doing this because unfortunately FC26 is really sensible, and when you're doing different settings, it simply can stop working, so be careful with what you're doing. As I've said, in this order, repair, update, and if it's still not working, uninstall, and then click on the install button once it appears. Something else that we can can try is to press Windows plus R on our keyboard, and from here type in %program data % to open up the temporary files in Windows, locate the EA desktop folder and completely delete it. Of course, pay attention that if you somehow created careers or any in-game saves, those will be deleted once you delete this EA desktop folder, so keep that in mind. But of course, if the game doesn't work, this should be something that can help you if you delete this folder. Of course, once you run the game again, this folder will be automatically recreated. If anything that you've tried doesn't work, of course, I would advise you to completely uninstall FC26 and then reinstall it. But pay attention, I would advise you to install it in the default directory. In FC25, the previous game, last year, there were reports of users that couldn't open up the game or the game wasn't running properly if it was installed in a custom directory. So I would advise you to install it into the default directory. That should also help. As I've said, make sure to also check out the article below, because there, if I find other different things that you can try in order to fix the game, I'm gonna update that article there with other solutions. But all the things that I've showed you in this video are things that I've tried over the years and have helped me run the game when it wasn't working. So of course, make sure to also check out the article below for more information. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Umari from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.